Welcome to the Duck Dive. Today, we're cutting through the noise a bit. We're exploring a really structured approach to sales.
Yeah, something quite methodical.
Exactly. It's called the five-page GDoc system, and it makes a bold claim. Closing high-ticket coaching offers, the expensive ones, without needing a traditional sales call.
Hmm.
So if you're someone who maybe thinks more with the left side of your brain, prefers a clear system, a blueprint, well, this deep dive should be right up your alley.
Precisely. The source material we looked at lays out this framework for selling coaching. We're talking packages in the $2,000 to $10,000 range.
Yeah.
And it's all about using a documented step-by-step method. Forget the Zoom calls.
No Zoom calls. That's efficient.
Very efficient. The idea is selling via email or maybe chat, relying completely on this pre-built structure in the Google Doc.
Okay, so for you listening, the big question is, how does this five-page GDoc system actually function? Like, what's the step-by-step? And crucially, what are those key elements inside the document that make an offer irresistible without that live conversation?
Well, what's really interesting is what the source calls the page-by-page breakdown. It's very literal. It details exactly how to structure each page of this five-page document.
Ah, okay, so it's prescriptive.
Very. This is the logical core. It's not about winging it. It's about precise content put in the right place to build a compelling offer. For example, the source suggests page 1 might be just packed with strong client results, case studies, that kind of thing.
Social proof right up front.
Exactly. And maybe page 2 tackles common objections head on, offers clear solutions, basically preempting the questions you'd normally handle on a call.
That structure makes sense from a logical standpoint. But, sales often involves building rapport, that gut feeling, which does bring up a challenge. How can a static document, just text and images, build things like trust or urgency or even excitement? Does it always work?
That's a fair point.
Yeah.
And the source tackles this by outlining what it calls the key elements. These are specific must-have components that get strategically embedded within the document pages.
Yeah.
They're specifically crafted to make potential clients feel, well, eager to invest, even without talking to someone directly.
So the document itself does the heavy lifting.
Yes. Think about having dedicated sections, right? A really compelling problem statement they resonate with, a super clear value proposition, that social proof we mentioned,
Yeah.
and then a really well thought out call to action. It's all laid out to guide the reader logically, step by step. It definitely caters to those who appreciate a systematic presentation.
Mm.
Maybe less appealing if you rely heavily on that dynamic back and forth energy of a call. It's very structured.
Right, that left brain appeal again. So to kind of wrap up this deep dive, the core idea for you listening is this. The five-page GDoc system offers a direct, very structured path for closing high-ticket coaching clients. It aims to eliminate sales calls by using clear, documented communication within this specific five-page format. The goal is to systematically build trust and excitement through the document itself. It's certainly a very analytical way to approach selling.
It is, isn't it? Almost counterintuitive, maybe. Building trust, excited, these quite personal things through just a document. But maybe here's a final thought to connect this to the bigger picture. How might adopting a precise, really systematic blueprint like this fundamentally change how you approach things? Not just selling, but maybe any kind of proposal or very communication you do in your own work or even life. What's the real power of structure and meticulous documentation when you really push it? Something to think about.